That's gangsta. Now tell me, has this ever come to pass? When the cops saw you smoking some grass, thought it was a perfect time to harass. This is what you got to say to his punk ass. Fuck the cops. You ain't shit from here. We don't need the bullshit. Shit. Big time. Well, yeah. You ride around with the red and blue lights. You try to rush it and reach your own rights. Well, fuck this shit. I ain't going forward no more. Matter of fact, I think it's time to settle the score. Take a blast from the past. Yeah, I remember you caught me smoking some grass. Tried to take me down to the county jail. The day that they got to us, that's in the bell. Fuck the cops. You ain't shit from here. We don't need the bullshit. Shit. Yeah. You take this wine and wish you more yours. Who do you expect when you're dealing with bars? Can't you see it works hard to get what I got? You know you want to do is try and make it fucking what? Behind your silly little fuck bars. But don't you understand that shit leaves scars? So when I get up, be prepared to run. Cause these crazy motherfuckers got a motherfucking gun. Fuck the cops. You ain't shit from here. We don't need the bullshit. Shit. They die. Fucking yeah. Scott's got more shakes than Steak and Shake right now, boy. Here's